Good morning, kiddos, and happy Monday. Today is a brand new month. It is Monday, March the 1st. It is the first day of March. So we have a brand new calendar. It's empty. We're going to go ahead and start with Monday because today is Monday, the 1st of March. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. So today is March 1st, Monday, March 1st. Let's go ahead and take a look at our hundreds chart. We're going to go ahead and count these by tens the regular way. So we'll count these groups here of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Notice that 10 is a 1 and a 0. 20 is a 2 and a 0. 30 is a 3 and a 0. 40 is a 4 and a 0. What do you think 50 is going to be? A 5 and a 0. 60 is a 6 and a 0. 70 is a 7 and a 0. 80 is an 8 and a 0. 90 is a 9 and a 0. And 100 is a 10 and a 0, or a 1, 0, 0. So looking at our numbers and counting by tens, you'll know that each of them are going to have a 0 on the end. So we have one group, two groups, just like we're counting the say 10 way. We have one group of 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, and 10 tens. 10 groups of 10. Let's go ahead and count our tally marks. We already counted up to 100 by fives using tally marks. So every day we added a new tally mark. Each bundle with a little fence post is a group of 5. So let's go ahead and count these by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. So counting is pretty simple. The more we practice, the better we get. Those skip countings by fives and tens are kind of like shortcut counting. They help us to get all the way to 100 much faster. And when you get to 100, you could keep on going, adding by tens and by fives. Let's go ahead and add in a straw. So one more straw. Let's take these out and count them. We have one giant bundle. We all know now this is a group of 10 tens, which makes 100. So we have 100, 10, 110, 111, 112. One group of 10, or of 100, one group of 10, and two individual straws. That number is 112. 100, 10, and two more makes 112. Boys and girls, we've gotten so far in our school year that we have had to add another chart to hold all of our awesome stuff that we are learning. So notice there is kind of an extension today to add in more words and to talk about our reading wall this morning. So let's just do a real quick review of our sight words, okay? So let's go here, start up here with me and say I am the little to a have is we my like for he she me with see look you they of that are do. These are our new words. That, are, and do, our newest words. Boys and girls, how many sight words have we had so far? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So you have 24 awesome high-frequency sight words in your library that you can think about or not even have to think about because you have memorized them. You have remembered them. And so when you see those in your stories, your decodable readers, and in the books that you're pulling off your shelf, those are words that you don't have to think about and try to figure out. Your brain just knows them because we have trained our brain. So we're going to continue with those high frequency sight words. You'll see a lot of these words today in your decodable story. So this unit, we're talking about where will our adventures take us. Specifically this week, we're going to talk about what is a lucky adventure. Lucky, what does that word lucky mean? We're going to hear that word a lot today, lucky. Our amazing words, our 6 new vocab words that we're going to listen for are cook, filthy, fox, we've seen that one a lot, lucky, piglet, you know my favorite, and scrubber. So those are our 6 words. We will hear it in our story this week called My Lucky Day, where we'll talk about a piglet and a fox, My Lucky Day. We'll also hear it in our song this week. And then we are practicing a new sound this week. Our new sound is the oh sound. So that is with the letter L for lemon. L says oh. So you'll hear that all this week. We will practice it at the beginning of the words and at the end of the words. So that's kind of new. At the end of the words, we'll be listening for that oh sound. So keep it all up. We did have an software update over the weekend. So if your apps are not working on your Seesaw, if your activities, you're getting an error message, please reach out to me right away so I can help you troubleshoot how to get your newest update from the app so that you can get all the cool new features. So today is Monday, regular day. We have small groups today. Where we will practice going over that decodable reader. All right, kiddos, I will see you in just a few minutes. Have a marvelous Monday.